this video, I'm going to show you on how to get the Seahorse Ship in Geometry Dash. So from the main menu, tap on the search button. It is a purple button with magnifying glass icon located at the right of the main play button. So next is type auto into the search bar and tap the search button. So the auto levels play themselves, making it the fastest way to complete many levels quickly. Next is play through the levels in the list, and you need to reach the Geometry Shan achievement, which requires completing 1,000 online levels in total. So once you have beaten the 1,000 levels, go to the icon kit and select the ship tab. And the Seahorse Ship or the Ship 81 will now be unlocked for you to use. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!